Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D3 chapter number 9 exercise 9b, that is about the bearings and application of trigonometry in real world. Students, in this class we will be discussing the basic concepts and key terms associated with the term bearing and what are the main rules and how to calculate the bearings and what is the concept of and use of parallel and lines and transversal and alternate and corresponding angles. First of all, it's really important to understand the concept of bearing. In mathematics, a bearing is the angle in degrees measured clockwise from the north. Before GPS, navigation was accomplished by using compass bearings. Here we have four main directions, and these are called the cardinal points of compass. We have the north position at this place, then south, then this is east and west. If we look at the turn from north to east, this complete turn is making one quadrant, and it has the degrees 90 degrees. And then the position which is right in between north and east is northeast, and it comes directly in between north and east. So the turn from north to northeast will be 45 degrees, and if we want to state the bearings, that will be 045 degrees. Same from east to south, the turn here is 90 degrees, and if we want to find the complete turn from north to south, that is making a semicircle, and it will have the angular measure 180 degrees, and moving from south to west, again this is making one quadrant. South to west, it is making one quadrant. And if we want to know that what is the complete turn from north to west, we can see not 90 degree over here, 90 degree over here, and 90 degree over here, so total 270 degrees. And same from west to north. Actually the diagram is formed in such a way that between north and east we have a 90 degree turn, and east and south 90 degree turn, and here again we have 90 degree, and here again we have 90 degree turn. And the positions which are in between, like north and east, they are called northeast position, then south east and southwest and northwest. Three main points that how to find the bearing of any position. There are three key rules now that can be memorized by NTC. And now let's try to understand what can be this NTC. N means north. N means north. Always measure bearing from the north line. Start your movement from the north line and express your answer as three digit bearings. If your answer is coming some acute angle like 60 degrees or 89 degrees, you have to write your answer with 3 digits, that is 60 degrees, and draw and measure bearings clockwise. So NTC means that north 3 degrees and clockwise direction. So I hope now students it will be easy for you to memorize three key rules of the bearing, that we always have to begin from the north, then we have to give the answer to 3 digits if that is coming with 2 digits, and we have to take a clockwise direction. Coming to the parallel and perpendicular lines and the concept of alternate angles, we know that when two lines are parallel to each other and a third line cuts those two parallel lines, then total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 angles are formed. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Out of these 8 angles, we can see that okay, I'm making these angles in black pen. This is suppose 1, and this is 2, and this angle is 3, this is 3, and then 3, and this is 4. These 4 are exterior angles, okay, exterior. And now look, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they are coming inside these parallel lines. They are interior angles. Now if we look at the formation of the angles that I have marked with blue color, we can see that they are making the formation of Z. They are two interior angles. There are two interior angles, and they are on the opposite side of transversal, and their formation is the letter C. So they are alternate angles and they will be of equal measure. Okay, and then we can see that this is the transversal. AB and CD are two parallel lines, and angle 1 and this is suppose 5, angle 1 and angle 5, they are on the same side of transversal, one interior and one exterior. They are on the same side of transversal, and they are forming a special letter which is F. Okay, look, try to find out some technical and points in your working so that you can understand the concept easily. They are making the English letter F. They are making English letter F, one interior, one exterior, and on the same side of transversal. They are called the corresponding angles. So in your working, once you will be doing your bearings, then you have to find out your alternate and corresponding angles, and you have to make the use of this concept, and this concept you have done actually in D1. So please reinforce that concept properly from D1 to understand the concept of bearings. I hope students you are really clear about what are bearings and what are four main directions and three key rules for the measurement of bearings, that is NTC and parallel lines and the use of alternate angles. Please watch and understand this lesson carefully for better understanding of next lesson. Don't miss the next lesson, because I'll be teaching you how to find the bearing of given point with the help of these three basic rules NTC. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.